Hello everyone, I am Suma. Me along with my teammates are going to give demonstration on the topic hospital management. So before going to execution part of the code, let me give you a brief introduction and the problem statement of our project. So the problem statement is a system to manage the activities in the hospital means the new patients update their details in the system before they request for the appointment with the help of assistant. If once the assistant gets the request, he confirm back the patient appointment based on the availability of the pre-slots for the respective doctors and the patient as he informed. So we all know hospitals are the essential part of our lives. So it is necessary for the hospitals to keep track of its day-to-day activities and the record of its patients, doctors, nurses, and the wards and the other staff personals that keeps the hospital running smoothly and successfully. But keeping track of all these activities and their records on the paper is very cumbersome and the error prone, and it is also very insufficient and not economically and technically feasible to maintain these records on the paper. So, keeping working of the manual system as the basis of our project, we have developed an automated version of the manual system called as hospital management system. So, what is hospital management system? It is an integrated software that handles different direction of the clinic workflows, and it manages the smooth healthcare performance along with the administrative, medical, legal, and the financial control. And this is cornerstone for the successful operation of the healthcare facility. And the main objective of our project is to design a system for the better patient care, like reducing the hospital operating costs, and to provide the MIS report. MIS means Managed Information System report on the demand to management for the better decision making. And this system handles the major department in the hospitals like front office and the OPD management and the patient management like scheduling, registration, and the long term care. And in the departmental modules like radiology, pharmacy, and the pathology labs. And the hospital management software features are patient registration and the EHR EMRs, and the appointment and scheduling, billing and financial management, doctors information, and so on. So these all are the software features which must be carried by the hospitals to run the hospital successfully and smoothly. Hand over to you, Usha.
Hello everyone, my name is Usha Ugar. Mm, Now I am going to tell the scope of this project. Of front office OPD management, patient management. OPD means outpatients department management, patient care management and department modules like radiology, pharmacy, and pathology labs, investigative lab 5, billing, medical stores, financial accounting, billing, insuring, processing, materials management, accounts payable and receivable. Payroll being a challenging role, management graduates can enter into this profession from any of the levels, right from middle level managements to the top level of a company, and hence the scope of get increased. Also, as a management in the healthcare sector is highly taken care of after direct medical services provided to the patients. Professionals have a good opportunity to expand their career with diversification intra and inter institutes because of a entrance of a private players in the market who provide quality healthcare services at low cost. Experienced and deserving candidates are taken in hands for a particular position. On the other side, with increasing the efforts of the government, the rural and the urban healthcare is also gaining its importance, and graduates in this field have more chances of getting employment. This is the scope of this project, and software are used here. HTML. HTML is used to create and the save. HTML means Hypertext Markup Language is the standard markup language for documents designed to be displayed in a web browser. It can be assisted by technologies such as cascading style sheets and scripting languages such as JavaScript. In CSS is the acronym of cascading style sheets. CSS is a computer language for laying out of and structuring web pages like HTML or XML. This language contains coding elements and is composed of these cascading style sheets, which are equally called CSS files. Next, we'll continue Sneha.
Hello everyone, my name is Sneha. Here the source code of the hospital management. This code will help us to create a web page for an online appointment of a patient. We are we are using a head tag as a HTML. In head tag we can write the title of the project as the healthcare hospital, and then we can make a four different pages that are home with index.html, about us with about.html, service with the service.html, and contact us with contact.html. These are a four different kind of a pages which will inform a different information about the hospital. Uh, but in this project, we are going to create a home page with appointment order or a letter. These all details will be in the body part of this program. And next here, using the div tags, we can divide the content that will give us the welcome greeting, and then it will print the benefits of the hospital in in the listed form as here we are shown. And next, using another div tag, we can create a appointment letter which contains the first name, last name, and the sex of the patient, email ID of the patient, phone number of the patient, and last will be the submit button, which will submit the all information about the patient. Here is here the output of the source code: healthcare hospital, home, about us, service, and contact us. It will first it will welcome to us as a welcome to healthcare hospital, and it will list the some important contents of the hospital, that will be benefits of the specialty hospital: improved functional independence, reduced medical complications, relevant education and resources, improved productivity, lower iron term cost, better preparation and successful future. And next will be the healthcare service. There is a tag that we are care about your health. Here is the appointment letter: make an appointment. Here it will be the first, it will ask the first name, it will ask the last name, it will ask the email ID and the phone number. Here the sex, the choose the sex of the patient and appointment date. And next, and here it will be the submit button. Here the submit button. This will be the output of our source code. And last will be the conclusion. The project hospital management system is for a computerized the working in a hospital. The software takes care of all the requirements of an average hospital and is capable to provide to patients that come up to the hospital, and it will make the appointment of a patient digitally. Thank you.